Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda CRF450R with electric start. This red sticker bike just arrived with a fresh top end, fresh fork seals, new chain. Really great condition, and it's got an FMF carbon fiber exhaust system. Come on by. Make your CRF 450R dreams come true. We got new back brake pads on this thing. This thing's ready to rock. Brand new grips, adjustable levers. Come on by. Make your red sticker dreams come true. This CRF 450R, only $74.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.